Hi everybody, happy Friday. As promised, today is a review day of suffixes. So there are two online games that I want you to play. So go ahead and look right down in the comments. Okay, those are the two games. Do set 1 first and then set 2. There are some challenging ones in there. So you either need to click on the X if you don't have to do the rule, or the check mark if yes, you have to follow the rule. All right, it doesn't really give you directions, so those are the two things that you need to do. All right, if the truck drives away with the word on it, you got it right. If the package falls off, you got it wrong. All right, so go ahead and play those two games. Review the rules about change the Y to an I, or drop the E, or double the consonant. Those are the rules that we're really working on. Okay, I hope you have a great day. Play these two games. Go look in the comments.